what role do digital payment methods play when it comes to online shopping festivals?
Digital payment methods play a very important role, and it's easy to underestimate their impact to maximizing sales for merchants. We have already talked about how online shopping events are still incredibly popular with consumers. For merchants to fully take advantage of that means making sure the consumer payment experience is optimized. If you don't offer the right payment mix, a customer may look for a merchant that will allow them to pay the way they prefer, which ultimately leads to cart abandonment and lost revenue. Looking at the European landscape, for instance, one size really doesn't fit all. Consumers in Germany have completely different preferences for how they want to pay compared to neighboring Netherlands or France. So for merchants wanting to maximize sales in a number of geographies, they should be reviewing their checkout pages to ensure local payment preferences are available. Here at PPRO, we have experts globally who can assist by deep diving into this topic to really make sure your shopping season will be a success. Everyone can also check out PPRO's playbook for payment pages for even more tips and tricks. The question is, are you ready?